What's going on, guys? So today I was just doing a little quick stair remodel makeover. It's nice and easy. Now, this is always the most frustrating part, pulling up all these nails. Because once you get them dusty, and this is why I tell people, stop getting carpet. All carpet does is harbor dust, debris. It's just all, and then you wonder why you got allergies. It's all because of the carpet. Get rid of carpet. But the most frustrating part, guys, is getting all these nails up. The guy overdid it. So I'm just doing what I gotta do. That's all. And you gotta look cool while you doing it. So right here, guys, I gotta build it out. Like, I believe it's like 1 inch and some change. Right here, I gotta build it out. So that's just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some drywall there, because she said that's all she got. Alright, so for y'all who don't know what I was just doing here, I had to build this out so that way it's all flush. Let me back up a little bit. So now it's flush, so then I could put the other board on, boom, and then it's gonna be good. So I'm just gonna cut those out real quick. Guys, always glue first. Always glue first. And nail. That way you don't get squeaky steps. Nobody wants squeaky steps.
Perfect fit. Golly.
So now, guys, I just had to cut out these little sections that's going to be exactly where the nose for the top floor is going to be at. So you see how it kept bumping into it? So I needed to get flush with that piece of trim. So in order to do that, that piece had to go. And we don't let things stand in our way. Anything that's in the way, it gets removed or put to the side. So that's what we doing. We removing it because nothing getting in our way. So now it's time for the caulking, just to get in between them little gaps, because you can't get it perfect. Everybody try to say they can get it. You can't. You can get it close to perfect, but it's always those little gaps. And guess what? You want to leave little gaps. You know why? It's because everything expands and contracts wood and the house changes shape. So you want to give it a little room so it expands and contracts good, and it doesn't make the floor come undone. You got to be smart. And I don't know whoever needs to hear this, man, but leave the E&J, Parmesan, Hennessy, leave it alone. I'm telling you from experience. I had to bring you guys back real quick to show you the before. Look at them cool hands. And after. Woo! Nice and good. Took me the whole day only because I had to remove all them nails. If I didn't have to remove all them nails, then we would have been good. Decided to go up in there. Good. Up in there. Good. Nice even flush transition. This customer's gonna be happy. This only took me a day. 5 hours or something. is.